If c'est difficile and il est difficile are both correct, how do you know which one to use? Let's break it down into 3 most confusing concepts, simply and clearly. Remember, il est is not followed by an article. On the other hand, c'est is followed by all the determinants, which includes un, une, le, la, les, des, ma, mon, all of this category. So we say c'est un médecin or il est médecin, and no, c'est médecin or il est un médecin. The second, noun versus adjective. C'est is usually used with the nouns like c'est un livre, c'est ma sœur, or c'est la chaise, and not il est un livre ou elle est ma sœur. And yes, il est and elle est are used before the adjectives, like il est intelligent and elle est gentille. So you might think if il est is used in front of adjective, is it that we do not use c'est in front of the adjectives? Let's understand that in the third point, which is maybe the most confusing one. So clearly, both forms exist. You can say il est and c'est both with adjectives, but it will change the meaning or situation a little. When you use il est plus adjectives, that helps you define a person or thing which is specific. Like, il est difficile. Over here, il est difficile would mean he is difficult. But when you use c'est plus adjective, this is used to describe something in general, a general sentiment or judgment. So, when you say c'est difficile, that means you're saying it is difficult, generally. Another example would be c'est beau. So over here, we are explaining it as it is beautiful. It can be a general statement. But when you say il est beau, that means he is handsome. So yes, both are correct. However, the meaning changes a little bit according to the situation, according to the judgment, according to the person or thing. Alright, just to make sure that the topic is clear, let's try doing some questions together. The first one, je te présente ma cousin, dash, un ingénieur. So now here, according to you, what should we put? Il est or c'est? It will be c'est un ingénieur. Why? Because it's c'est, article, plus profession. The other question, regarde cette photo, dash, ma meilleure amie. So over here, we'll be using c'est. Why? Because it's c'est plus noun and there's also a déterminant. The third one, le test de français, beaucoup disent dash difficile. So over here, we'll be using il est plus adjective. So it becomes il est difficile. Why? Because it's for a specific thing, which is the test. Alright, so I leave you with 3 questions to guess if it's going to be il est or c'est. You can drop it in the comment section and I'll let you know which one is correct and why. The first, tu as rencontré mon oncle, dash, un docteur très connu dans la ville. The second, je connais ton frère, dash, c'est sympa. And the last one, apprendre une nouvelle langue au début, dash, parfois très stressant. Alright, bonne chance!